It's Bonnie. Happy Monday. I am back. I have one more video for you guys. We are going to learn about wallflowers at Bath and Body Works. So if you're just joining my channel, welcome. I have been talking about Bath and Body Works now for like 9 years online or in my blog. It's been a long time. So I've been through a lot of different products, and Wallflowers is something, I kind of go hot and cold on wallflowers. So what they are, if you've never seen a wallflower before, is this is a plug, and they come in many, many different styles, holiday ones. This one was so pretty for summer. This is for Pride. There's projectors. There are very simple ones that you can get like for $5.95, but a lot of people like the fancy ones. Oops, this was one of my favorites actually. Recently, I love the bling. This kind of goes with a diamond ring actually. I'm like, they kind of go together. Wallflowers are fun because what you do is you can plug them in the wall, and the scent, then we're going to load this one, comes out. You don't have to light it. You don't have to do anything to it. You can just set it and forget it, which a lot of people like because they want scent in every room. When I use wallflowers, I tend to use them like on Saturday when I'm cleaning or when I have company come over. Because I'm like burning or melting so many candles as a reviewer, I don't like to have a lot of scents in the house because it kind of messes with my ability to effectively review. So I usually use these, like I said, if I'm cleaning on Saturday, I'll plug a couple in just to kind of freshen up the house. And I have noticed that they do have some new ones. They have this whole Clean Vibes. It's called Clean House Vibes. I was thinking about something else. I have the Clean House Vibes candle somewhere. I didn't like it. They have Clean House Vibes in Dazzling Citrus, in Sparkling Bubbles, in, what's the other one? Luxe Cotton, and they're $3.95 today. So that's a decent price. Sometimes they go a lot lower. They've been as low as $2.95, $3.25, $3.50, but $3.95 is better. They have one called Lullaby Dreams, which is basically baby powder, soft baby powder, violet petals, and gentle aloe. I'm like, no, I don't want my house to smell like baby powder. I don't think I like that. I tend to like the gourmands. So the one I'm going to be talking about today is Sweet Carrot Cake. I also got the Irish Cream Pound Cake one, which I think that smells better than the candle. Remember, Irish Cream Pound Cake and the candle smelled a little strange. But this one is super cute. These are fun to gift too. They do have Easter plugs, obviously. They have a couple of new ones. They have a sailboat, apple on books, the blooming butterfly. Oh, the bow. They also have scent control where they go low, medium, and high. This one is a scent control. You can see on the side here. So low is like a little bit lower scent. Medium is regular scent. And then a lot of people like to put these on high. I don't really notice that the scent control does much, in my opinion. I think it depends on the scent. So if you've got something like eucalyptus spearmint, it's going to be a lot stronger. And if you put it on high, it's going to like just blast out. They also have a limited edition pink lilac vanilla where there's hearts all over the glass, which I thought was kind of pretty. So how does this work? Here's the tag. Sweet Carrot Cake is sweet cream cheese frosting, fluffy carrot cake, and cinnamon spice. I like this one. It's a little bit more cream cheesy than carrot cake. There's going to be a like serrated edge. There's going to be plastic. You're going to pull this off. Sometimes they're a little hard to get off. This one was super easy, so I got that off. And then it's basically a glass bulb. There's a arrow on top, and big thing here, I always tell people, throw loosey lefty, righty tighty out the window because it's the opposite. So a lot of people can't open these because they're like, why isn't it opening? It's going, you do it the opposite way for some reason. So you take the lid off like this, and then you have your wick. Now, if the wick is damaged in any way, just return it and get another one because it's not going to work right. Then you have your plug. Now, notice on the back, we have a plug. This turns so you can use this in GFIs because you always want your plug to stay in the upright position. You do not want to plug it in sideways. That's not going to work. Put it upright, and then you can turn the back, whichever way your plug goes. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take the wick, and you're just going to put this right where that hole is, and then you're going to gently tighten it, just like that. Don't over tighten it. And if you smell the top, that smells so good. Cream cheese and spices. What's going to happen when you plug this in is this little unit's going to heat up a little bit, and then the oil is going to come out the top, and you're going to get this wonderful scent throughout your house. And a lot of them are stronger or weaker, depending on the scent for me. If you want strong, like I said, use the side here. I do not have my extension cord on me here, but this one is a light up. Not all of them are light ups, but some of them do light up. This lights up, and it's kind of like a pretty diamond, a sparkling diamond. I like this one. A lot of people were asking me like how you clean these, because sometimes like the oil will get on top. You know what I do? I just take like a baby wipe, and I just kind of gently wipe the top. I would not ever like pour water in this, because I don't think that would work. I think it would just damage the whole unit. So I just take like a baby wipe and wipe the top off. But what you're going to do is you're going to plug this in the wall. They're supposed to last like 3 to 4 weeks. So what's going to happen is your wick here is going to suck up that oil from the bottom, and then it'll go down as the oil evaporates. And then the theory is when it gets to the bottom, your wick will still be able to take that up to the top. And then once it's empty, you're going to toss the bulb. Or you can do what I do, and after you're done, like on Saturday, I'm going to plug this in for like 4 or 5 hours. I take this out, and then what I do is I recap it like this, and then I put my little piece of paper back on. I guess etched in the top, you can see, it does say, looks like it says carrot, or C-A-R-T. I can't read this. I just put the tag back on. I don't like the etching. It's too hard to read. And then you can store these in like a little box, and the next time you use one, you can take it out. As long as the lid is on, this shouldn't like go bad. I mean, I've had these for a really long time, and they stay fairly fresh as long as the lid is on. So there's many ways to use these. A lot of people put them in every room of their house. They've got them in every plug. They got scent going everywhere. Some people just use them in the bathroom and the kitchen. Some people put a different scent in every room. Other people like to just do coordinating scents. Maybe they do all gourmands. I can't talk. All gourmands. That didn't come out good. Or you might put like strawberry pound cake in the living room, a little sweet carrot cake in the kitchen, and then when the kitchen and the dining room kind of merge, you get a nice little gourmand scent going on there. But they're fun, I gotta say, and they're very popular. People love these scent plug-ins. I think the only problem is they come out with a lot of plugs, and it's easy to go down that rabbit hole and buy too many. Now, with the 40% off that we had this past weekend, that was a sweet deal. I mean, that was a way to get these for a lot less, and a lot of them fall in that $14.95 range, so you could use every word for the scent plug. So for instance, the Bow scent control is $14.95. You could use your AppReward. So I think the biggest ones, this one's huge. This one is probably $32. They go up to like $39, $44. That one for Disney, which is sold out now, I think that one was like $44. The question is, do you want to pay that much for a scent plug? And then they have the light up feature, and they look pretty. I'll have to say, it just depends on what you want. But the problem is, every single season, we get new ones. And it's tempting to go overboard because they're so cute, you want them all. So I've actually done a pretty good job at scaling back. My problem is Halloween. I usually buy all the Halloween ones because I love Halloween so much. But I've kind of scaled back on Christmas a little bit. I had a Rudolph one here. Where did it go? I just set it here. Oh, here it is. I don't know if it's Rudolph, but it's a reindeer. Like, I probably have about 5 or 6 Christmas ones, and they're for home decor. But again, every year they come out with new ones and they're super cute. So you just got to kind of decide what your wallflower plug budget is for the year. Right now they have some bluebirds. They're doves actually. They're bluebirds that are doves. They're super cute. What else do we have? Oh, we have the giant Paris illuminating one. That would have been good for Emily in Paris. We have the flamingo, we have cherries, we have a margarita, we have a horse, like a chess piece. Yeah, there's a lot of them. So anyway, let me know what you think of the wallflowers, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye-bye.